Hey everybody, it's the mobile home mama out here in the lot today. We got one that is fresh off the production line, and oh, I am so happy to show you guys this one. This reminds me of the classic nautical colors, right? The crisp white along with the navy blue shutters. And when we get inside, wow, it knocked my socks off when I got inside. So let's check it out. All right, I'm standing at the front door, stepping into the front-facing living room, and what I mean by that is the living room is at one end of the floor plan, so very easily we could add a porch to this home. This is a 16 by 66. You're gonna find the name in the description on the video, and it looks like they've added a few extra windows. Guys, I'm here to tell you, it's the little tiny things that you do to your home that's going to give it the personality and set it apart from the rest of the manufactured homes that you ever see. But check out this kitchen. I am so impressed with the crisp white on the hardwood timber wolf with the black handles. This is not a combination I would normally recommend to anybody, but now that I'm in here, whoa mama, this is really something. Look at all the cabinetry in here, and it is so classic. I'm just super impressed. We've got a microwave over the stove, we've got the side-by-side all and the dishwasher, all of these in a stainless steel. Can lighting throughout, but that's going to come with your VOG walls. We've talked about that before. We've got a laminate backsplash. And as I get closer to this countertop, I don't know if you can see it in my video, but it is a marbly look. We call it quartz. It is made out of a Formica material. Got a little island here with some storage on the inside. So functional. And check this out. We've got a bank of drawers there, a bank of drawers here, a bank of drawers here, as well as the drawers over doors. So if you're a fan of, in my case, I have a lot of junk drawers in my home because I'm just not as organized as I should be. But anyways, we do drawers over doors. It's a great addition and money well spent. Now over here, you're gonna see, let's open this up. I knew it. We got the Lazy Susan pantry here, as well as another pantry right beside it. So I can imagine whatever you want to do, cans up here, maybe some spices, storage in this kitchen. I'm going to back up. I want to take one more look at it because I am super impressed. When I walked in here, I was like, wow, yes, this is the one. Looks like we added another window here in the dining area. Coming down the hallway, we're going to pass by the furnace. We did doors on the same side. I'm going to show you here. Here we've got a door there and a door down there on the same side. Now normally this floor plan would be reverse aisled, but that's what we have going on here. So you can take a single wide, and you can't really flip-flop rooms or substitute rooms, but you can do what is called a reverse aisle, which will put the doors on both sides. Here's the second bedroom. Remember, this is a 16 by 66, so we've got a 2-bed, 2-bath, and this customer has added washer dryer cabinets, and this is a great example of what a washer dryer is going to look like if you add one in your home or when you bring in your own. We've got, of course, we highlight the Whirlpool appliances. Here, we've had plenty of room in the second bath to add a walk-in shower in there as well. And then we did the trimmed out mirrors. You'll notice that around the mirror, there's a nice trim there in a classic brown color. So, man, I just love the colors of this home. It's looking like it's going with a nautical theme. I'm standing in the master bedroom. We've got a 46 by 61, letting lots of light in here. And now on to the master bath. 30 by 36 window, and guys, everybody is doing this. They want to let the fresh air into the bathroom for whatever reason. I don't really ask, but it's a nice addition. We also do a 14 by 40, so if you don't want a window that can, you know, show that much light coming through or show what's inside the bathroom from the outside, you can go with a smaller window. So we kept the theme of the trimmed out mirrors going along through that entire house. And then here's something I haven't showed in a video. This is what's called a cosmetic box. So it is built right into the wall, and if you opt for a hardwood cabinet, it's going to be everywhere through the house. And then turning around, we've got the walk-in shower. Fiberglass 2-seater. It's our first shower in a long line of showers that you can choose from. We've got the nice molded trim here. So that's a great thing. Gives you a nice classy look. So this customer has done just a few tweaks in their home, but what a difference it's made. I'm heading back to the front of the house. I just want you to get one last look at how classic this is. They've come a long way, folks. Give it a chance. All my information is down in the description. This is the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.